Best Large Sports Sedans for 2024 Audi S7. In the highly competitive realm of large sports sedans, the 2024 Audi S7 stands out as a beacon of performance, luxury, and innovation, seamlessly blending exhilarating driving dynamics with opulent comfort and cutting-edge technology. As part of Audi's esteemed S lineup, the S7 represents the epitome of Audi's engineering prowess and commitment to delivering thrilling driving experiences. At the heart of the 2024 Audi S7 lies a formidable twin-turbocharged 2.9-liter V6 engine, generating an impressive 444 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a responsive 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, the S7 delivers exhilarating acceleration and precise power delivery, propelling it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4.5 seconds. Whether cruising on the highway or carving through winding mountain roads, the S7 offers dynamic handling and spirited performance that excites drivers at every turn. The S7's dynamic capabilities are further enhanced by its advanced chassis and suspension systems. Audi's adaptive air suspension with S-specific tuning and sport rear differential ensure exceptional ride comfort and precise handling, allowing the S7 to corner with confidence and maintain stability at high speeds. Additionally, the S7 features dynamic all-wheel steering, further enhancing its agility and responsiveness on the road. Visually, the 2024 Audi S7 exudes a sporty and sophisticated aesthetic, featuring sleek design elements and distinctive S-series accents. Its exterior boasts a bold single-frame grille, sculpted aerodynamic lines, and quad exhaust outlets, hinting at its performance-oriented character. Riding on 20-inch alloy wheels, the S7 showcases a commanding presence on the road that commands attention from bystanders. Inside the cabin, the S7 offers a luxurious and technologically advanced environment, with premium materials and cutting-edge amenities. The interior boasts sport seats with Valcona leather upholstery, a leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters, and aluminum trim accents. The S7 is equipped with Audi's latest MMI infotainment system, which includes a dual touchscreen display, navigation, smartphone integration, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system, ensuring connectivity and entertainment on the go. Safety features are also a top priority in the 2024 Audi S7. The sedan comes equipped with Audi's suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a top-view camera system. Additionally, the S7 offers available features such as night vision assistant and intersection assist for added peace of mind. In conclusion, the 2024 Audi S7 offers a compelling blend of performance, luxury, and technology in the large sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, dynamic handling, and upscale amenities, the S7 delivers an exhilarating driving experience that is sure to impress even the most discerning enthusiasts.